Hello everyone! Today I'll be addressing a common question that many people have. Can you withdraw money from your Upwork account if you have less than $100? The answer is yes. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of withdrawing money from your Upwork account when you have less than $100. To begin, log into your Upwork account and check the available balance displayed on your account homepage or dashboard. Take note of the amount available for withdrawal, which in our example is around $30. Next, click on your profile picture or avatar at the top right corner of the screen and select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your account settings. Within the account settings, locate and click on the Get Paid button. This will open the withdrawal options. Make sure your preferred payment method is correctly added to your Upwork account. Once your payment method is set up, return to the Withdrawal Options page. Here, you'll see your available withdrawable balance. Click on the Get Paid Now button to proceed with the withdrawal. On the withdrawal form, select the amount you wish to withdraw from your available balance, in this case, $30. Double-check all the details on the withdrawal form, including the payment method and amount. After reviewing everything, click Get Paid to initiate the withdrawal. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that your payment has been successfully processed. If you require a confirmation letter for this payment, you can choose to print the details as a PDF document directly from the confirmation page. Your Upwork account balance will be emptied, and the funds will be transferred to your designated bank account. Typically, the funds should reflect in your bank account within approximately 2 hours, depending on your payment method and local banking processes. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful for withdrawing less than $100 from your Upwork account. Remember to subscribe for more useful content. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.